DB Sales Company, where we not only offer diesel engines, parts, and customized generator sets, we also provide information on these products to make your experience of finding and acquiring the exact right ones for you as easy as possible. The Caterpillar 3024 CT is a Tier 2 engine that has many machine applications for Caterpillar and others. In this video, we'll be listing the applications that this engine is built to fit. Please keep in mind that the Perkins 404D Tier 3 engine can replace Perkins engines of a lower tier, as well as similar Caterpillar engines. For instance, the Perkins 404D22 can replace the Perkins 10422 and the 404C22, as well as the Caterpillar 3024C and C2.2 diesel engines. The 404D22 Turbo can replace the 404C22 Turbo, as well as the Caterpillar 3024C Turbo and C2.2 Turbo. This doesn't necessarily mean that all of the parts on these lower tier engines can be replaced with the parts from a higher tier engine. It does, however, mean that on the Caterpillar C2.2 or C2.2 Turbo, for instance, that you can use those parts because they are both Tier 3 engines. Check out our video titled 404D as replacements for other engines for more detailed information on this. And be sure to contact your sales rep if you're looking to do one of these replacements. The Caterpillar 3024 CT is built for Caterpillar machines as well as Princeton and Miller Electric models. The Princeton machine applications for this engine are the D45, PB50, PB65, PB70, and PBX models. The Miller Electric applications are the Big 40C, Big 40CX, Big 40CAT, and Big 40WG models. The Cat skid steer applications for this engine are the 216B, 216B2, 216B3, 226B, 226B2, 226B3, 232B, 232B2, 232CAB on, 242B, 242CMB on, 247B, 247B2, and 257B2 models. The 3024 CT also fits the Caterpillar RC60 compact track loader and the 902 wheel loader. If you found this informative, be sure to check out our other diesel engine application videos for added clarity when searching for replacement engines. We hope this helped you understand more clearly exactly the diesel product or products that you've been looking for. Also, look in the description for links to all of our websites. Check out and subscribe to our channel for more educational content on diesel products from DB Sales Company. And be sure to comment below anything else you'd like to know. You can also find us on Facebook under DB Sales Company, or Twitter under Find Diesels, where you can see various products we offer and tips on those products. We'd also like for you to engage with us about your experiences in the diesel industry and how we can help you better reach the diesel products that you're looking for. We hope to hear from you soon.